Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming firmware and collecting cables. This matters because firmware changes EQ behavior. Once done, charge the A50 to full and set the A40 to wired test mode so latency and EQ differences show clearly. Plug both into the same PC or console using the same connection type, optical or USB-C, so comparisons are apples to apples. Then run a 2-3-minute reference track with consistent vocals and low bass. Listen for detail and noise floor before moving to. Next, you perform focused listening. First, check soundstage and imaging. A40 tends to be tighter while A50 Gen 5 often sounds wider. Note where vocals sit and how easy positional cues are to find. Then measure latency using a simple microphone tap test. Wired will be near 0, A50 wireless adds a few milliseconds. Also test the microphone. Speak at 1 to 2 meters and toggle noise suppression. Make sure to record short clips so you can A/B them and catch subtle differences later. Finally, you finalize settings. Balance EQ to taste, choose the ear cup fit that reduces leaks, and set the A50 battery profile for longevity. Once done, document which headset works best per use case, competitive shooters, immersive single player, or streaming, so you know when to pick which one. If you encounter dropouts or odd EQ shifts, first reset firmware on both devices and repair the A50. If issues persist, swap cables and test another source to isolate hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.